Jah, Rastafari, unity is strength, segregation is dead.
It's humble, bitch.
Jah, Nagana, Rastafari, brothers and sisters live in love. Only love. We're gonna lead the way. Jah, your heart full of anger. You're there and I wonder over certain things. You're there on a corner. It's like your life is hedging to an end. People you trusted want to see you cease for thunder. You've been this man left crying out in corners. Never hold back anything on your heart, cause it's a go tear you apart. No matter what, love and dash away rot. That's the only way you can confront yourself. So set your mind free. You're born animosity. Let's live in harmony. Love conquers all, no matter how you've been hurt seems to be. Set your mind free. You're born animosity. Let's live in harmony. Love conquers all, no matter how you've been hurt seems to be. Every day I see hatred and envy. There is no love amongst humanity. It's so touching to see my people live this way. I wish they could hear what me say. I yield unto love and unity. There would have been peace and harmony, but then get caught up in all this Babylonian system, where there is confusion and problem. Brothers against brothers, sisters against sisters. Missing friends, shut down friends. When all this saga end is only when we get intimate and appreciate one another without underrate. Brothers and sisters, come let's keep the faith, so we can reach to make it to Zion Day. Sure. So set your mind free. You're born animosity. Let's live in harmony. Love conquers all, no matter how you've been hurt seems to be. Set your mind free. You're born animosity. Let's live in harmony. Love conquers all, no matter how you've been hurt seems to be. Watch your love, Nagana. Love your brother man, love your brother man. Love your brother man. Now get a brother life man. Now make a little man life man. Watch your love. Give your brother strength. When it's down, give brother strength. Strength, let the burn. Sure. So set your mind free. You're born